Traveling salesman problem is the most popular problem in linear programming. We solve by Python programming language and apply in Django. So what we do? We create a website with Django to find the solution of traveling salesman problem. Actually, we want to find the minimum cost of traveling salesman problem. So here is a question. A salesman has to visit 5 cities. He starts from a particular city and return to the same city and visit each city once. Cost of going to a city to another city is shown below. So cost of A to A means city A to city A is obviously 0, and city A to city B is 4, city A to city C is 10, city A to city D is 14, city A to city E is 2, and so on. The answer of the questions will be 30, means the minimum cost is 30. At first open the project and open CMD and run the server. So go to browser. This is a website to solve traveling salesman problem for 5x5 matrix. Here are the cities A, B, C, D, E, and you have to put the values. The cost of A to A, the cost A to B, the cost A to city C, the cost A to D, A to E, and so on. I have put the all values. A to A is 0, A to B is 4, A to C is 10, B to A is 12, C to A is 16. Okay, now submit. So you get the answer. The minimum cost is 30. You can download the project from the description box. This web page solves the traveling salesman problem solution for 5x5 matrix. A, B, C, D, E are the 5 cities, and here user put the cost A to A to B, A to C, A to D, and city A to city E. The all of input tag will fill by the users. We need to grab this all of value. So we use the get request. So go to the templates of the project inside the application, and here I created a table for the traveling salesman problem 5x5 matrix, and here are the 5 cities A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. And next we grab the all of values which is input by user, and we use the name attribute, and inside the name attribute we use the variable A11, A12, A13. Actually this means A11 means A city A to city A, A12 means city A to city B, A13 means city A to city C, and so on. When we grab the all of values, we need to pass the all of values inside the functions of views through the URL name check, and this is the URL name check. So inside the views there is a functions answer. So here is a functions answer, and these functions will return the HTML file and also the answer of traveling salesman problem. At first we create a variable A11, A12, A13. These all are global variable. Here are 25 variable because this is 5x5 matrix. So we need to grab the all data. So request.get A11. So this match with this, and A12 these also match with this, so on. So we get the all values. At first we need to convert all of data to integer and create a list. This list for the city A, the next list for the city B, and so on, and create a variable s, and s equal to 0. This will use in traveling salesman problem functions, and this is the functions for the traveling salesman problem, and traveling salesman problem functions will return the minimum path, actually the cost of minimum path. So create a variable ind and pass a string the minimum cost is. Now create a variable ans and pass the functions traveling salesman problem. The traveling salesman problem functions take two arguments. One is graph, which is our all data, and next is the variable is. The value of is initially is 0 and we use it in our functions. So ans and int, we want to pass two variable in the HTML templates, and we create a class for alert. This is a bootstrap class, and the value of int is the minimum cost is, and answer is the traveling salesman problem answer. Put the all values and get the answer. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.